stress in our workload. Okay? Stress. That's why there are stress-induced diseases like stress-induced diabetes. Because of so much problem going on in your family, so much problem going on in the office, so much problem going on with your life, you tend to eat so much. And when you eat so much, our blood sugar shoots up. And when your blood sugar shoots up, you have a tendency to develop diabetes. Because some of us would think, diabetes, those kind of diseases are inheritance, can be inherited. Yes, they can be inherited and they can be developed. If you keep on eating too much carbohydrates, like too much rice, too much bread, too much pasta, too much pizza, you're shooting up your blood sugar. And when you reach the age 40 or even earlier than 40, you might have diabetes already. I'm going to give you these tips so as to make you feel or to make you examine yourself if you have diabetes already. Question number 1. How many times do you wake up every time you sleep just to go to the comfort room and urinate? How many times? If you wake up twice to 3 times to 4 times after sleeping just to go to the CR and urinate, chances are you have diabetes. Chances are. So you need to have your blood sugar checked up. Have a fasting blood sugar test. Okay? So as for you to know if you have diabetes or not. Okay, going back to my presentation. So we're exposed with free radicals. We're exposed with the lifestyle habits that increases the free radicals every day. The way to neutralize this is to take antioxidants. And antioxidants, these are naturally occurring substances in our food, in our vegetables, in our fruits. But the thing is, the soil nowadays are already poisoned. With what? Fertilizers, insecticides, chemicals. Okay? Some have genetically modified soils. Some have genetically modified fruits and vegetables. Okay? Just to make the fruits grow bigger, more red, more pinkish, or more yellowish. So that's the problem. There are more chemically induced fruits and vegetables than they are 20 years ago. So, what's the natural source of antioxidant nowadays? It's from the supplements that we're going to take. It's from the nutritionals. So you might be saying, Doc, are the products that you're going to present food supplements, herbals, vitamins? Yes. Because it's one of the biggest trends nowadays. When you talk about business, it is called the next $1 trillion industry. The health, wellness, and beauty industry. If you can imagine 10 to 15 years ago, particularly to these ladies who are going to the groceries and the ones cooking up for their family, 10 to 20 years ago, what are the stuff that you're buying from the groceries? You're going to buy some pasta, you're going to buy some ketchup, you're going to buy some, from tuna sardines, you're going to buy some food that you need to cook. Nowadays, what are the stuff that you're buying from the groceries? It's the same thing. But what are these small things that you need to notice? 10 years ago, when you go to groceries, you're going to buy some noodles. But today, when you buy noodles, there are noodles fortified with iodine. Good for the eyes. Do you get my point? Yes. 10 years ago, you just buy sardines or century or tunas, canned tuna. But today, when you buy tunas or sardines, it's fortified with omega oil. It's good for the heart. 10 to 20 years ago, you just buy some ketchup. But today, when you go to the groceries, there are ketchup with lycopene. Good for the heart. 20 years ago, you just buy soft drinks. Today, we have soft drinks with beta-carotene. Good for the eyes. I just bought a gel, hair styling gel, from a store called Bench. And the brand says gel with vitamins. A very well-known celebrity in the Philippines named Chris Aquino is promoting makeup with vitamins. The very same celebrity, Miss Chris Aquino, is promoting a watch, Philip Stein, an anti-stress watch that costs $500,000 pesos. The price alone would cause stress. How ironic is that? 20 years ago, the existence of gym and facial centers are very, very minimal. Today, in every corner of the street, there are clinics. In every corner of every street, there are facial and cosmetic and dermatological services. 20 years ago, the existence of fitness gym, are very, very minimal. Today, you have Fitness First, you have Gold's Gym, you have so much gym in every corner. Why? Because these are the trends. Those who are not conscious and those who are not familiar with these trends are just consumers. They don't take advantage of these trends. But those who are businessmen, who saw this great opportunity, we are the active participants. We are the active participants. We're the one teaching about this. We're the one educating people about these trends, that more and more and more people nowadays will be concerned about their health than 20 years ago. Because as we grow old, as we earn so much with our jobs, with our businesses, the way to go is how can I prolong my life? How can I stay fit? How can I avoid diseases? And that's the trend. More and more people are looking into that opportunity. How to prolong their life. How to stay away and refrain from diseases that they can get throughout their life. So we partnered with Nature's Way, and they manufacture a great product for us, and we are exclusive with that product line called Complete Phyto Energizer. And how complete is this product? We have 16,000 antioxidants and phytonutrients. It's that huge. They have so much phytonutrients, we have so much antioxidants. What are the basic composition? I don't want to deal with the intricacies and with the basic ingredients just by group. I want to make mention this by group. This product, Complete Phyto Energizer, has a complete set of vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals. Do you believe that vitamins and minerals are essential for our body? Because some people have a notion, oh, it's just vitamins and minerals. I don't need to take that. I can take that with the food that I'm gonna eat on a day-to-day basis. Vitamins and minerals, particularly trace minerals, these are very, very healthy and these are very, very important. If our body lacks, listen, if our body lacks vitamins and minerals, we are prone to diseases. We are prone to so much diseases around us. If it happens that the one beside you on the train has a flu, and it happened to cough or to blow his nose, there's a great tendency that you're going to be afflicted with the same disease that he has. Vitamins and minerals are low in our body. And that's being certified correct by many laboratory tests and by many doctors in the US. They've taken that experiment already. Complete has 12 of the healthiest and most studied mushrooms. They're high in polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are very, very nutritious. Antioxidant, they're great for hypertension, they're great for diabetes, they're great for cancer. And the great thing with our products that it doesn't contain just 1 or 2 mushrooms. We have 12 of those shiitake, yamu shiitake, and we have a great lineup of mushrooms here. What else? We have 12 digestive enzymes. We also have 12 herbs and specialty nutrients. These are good for the brain, memory enhancer,